Hey guys, so waiting on Ty to finish his game, got my laundry going, life's good. So I was like, what the hell, might as well voice my mind. Because I've actually been thinking about this since last night. I remember just laying in bed, kind of just like, or maybe it was this morning, while it was still dark outside, and just thinking about money. And like, I mean, if you saw my video about me coming out publicly and saying, hey, yes, I am a healer and I have services, and now I am open to receiving money, and there is an investment for my services, right? So in that video, I talk about my struggle with money. And what I'm about to say is doesn't have to do with struggling with money, accepting money per se. It's literally just about the system, the money system. I mean, there's got to be other people out there who feel the same way I do about money and the money system. I think it's fucking ridiculous, and I don't understand why it's still in place. Like, why is it that there are these institutions creating a certain amount of money, right? And then circulating it. Like, why the hell can't sand be our currency of money? Why can't some fucking seashells be our currency of money? Why are we not just bartering? Like, I don't know. I really don't know who's going to watch this video, so I don't know who knows me and who doesn't really know me. But I traveled a lot the past few years, since 2012 to up until 2016. So 4 years I was on the road living an alternative lifestyle, gypsy style lifestyle, but really just out of the matrix. And it was amazing. It was so amazing because I was, dedicated to my spiritual journey, my healing, and my purpose, and just letting it unravel, my purpose kind of unravel as I got closer and closer to seeing the clear picture, right? But during that journey, I got to meet some really amazing people and be of service, And during that time, we were basically bartering, right? Ty, come say hi.
Hey.
Just hey. Yeah, so I mean, I realized like basically I was bartering and they were bartering. Like, I could stay with someone, and while I was staying with them, I'd help them around the house, or if they had a kid, I was helping them with their kid. If you watched the Seva Chronicles, you know that I ended up doing Seva, which is Selfless Service, and in exchange I got to stay there. And I don't know, I did a bunch of other stuff. But I just don't get, like, why are we not doing that on a bigger scale? Like, why are we not bartering? And if you do barter, where are you? Like, who are you and where are you? Because you're the kind of person I want to be cool with. Like, I'm sure you've got skills and talents that are amazing that I probably could use. And I've got skills and talents that you probably could benefit from. So why don't we barter? I mean, I met these people on the road, but since I'm not traveling like that anymore, I'm a mommy, got my Wolfmeister, and I got Ty. Like, where are you guys? So if you barter or are into bartering and you think the money system is ridiculous, and it is part of the slavery system and the patriarchal society, the patriarchal structure, parasitic structure, then we're obviously like-minded individuals. Comment below. Let me know, where are you at? What are your gifts? What are your talents? What are your hobbies? What do you like to do? And what would you be interested in bartering? What would you be willing to give of in service so that you could receive something that I'm good at? I'm a really good writer, communicator, great at editing, great with kids, healing services, painting, drawing, remediation and mediating conflicts, all kinds of stuff. But how are we going to know what the other has unless we get to know one another? So I don't know. I thought I'd give this a try because I can't do everything by myself. Like I can't, you know, I may be sort of like a superwoman to an extent, but like I know where my limits are. I know that I have specific talents that I'm supposed to be giving to the world, to humanity, to people. And the same goes for you. So why not be in synergy? Why not work together in community? Right? All right. Namaste. Mitakoe Oyasin. Orohanoi.